Good morning. So, as you can see here, the move. Oops, sorry, clicking on the wrong screen. The move already came and went right here. At least the super solid setup came and went right there. It was like right when I sat down at my desk. Hadn't even made coffee yet, so I did not take it, and I wish I had. So this is US30 right at London close, and we are looking for price to give us an opportunity to enter a short or a long, don't care what, as long as we get a little bit of momentum right when London closes and New York is left on its own. That's the idea, is that while New York and London are open, they may have competing ideas on what price should be. And as London closes and New York is left on its own, that we often see some volume come into the market. So let's hop and take a quick look at what our news is. So we've got a bunch of nothing for the rest of the day. Let's just check the week out. It's yesterday, Wednesday, some CAD news. I like weeks like this. A little bit of unemployment and the dollar, PPI. So Friday, 5:30. So by 8:30 we should be all right. So just use caution when you're trading this week. Be aware that if you're a dollar trader, there's a little bit of not much dollar news during the week, and then on Friday things get moving with PPI. Which is basically, this is our inflation number, although it seems like the Fed is probably more interested in jolts than it is in PPI, which I don't know. It's just interesting to think how many people think the Fed is completely wrong in the things they are doing right now. I don't even know what to, obviously I don't know. I just, no two economic situations are the same, especially not when spread out by decades of change and progress. And so for the Fed to think that what they did before is going to have the same result now, I don't buy it. I don't buy that raising interest rates is the best way to go. I think the Fed or Treasury created the problem when they printed all that money. Who makes money, Treasury or Fed? The government created the problem when they printed all that money, and now I don't know what the solution is. The market's come back to, I don't even know if I can get there on this chart. What's up here? Since we're talking. I got firewood coming today. So here's US30. If you look on the daily, we are, this right here, this is our pre-pandemic highs. So right at 30, let's just call it 30. Within a few hundred points, 29,500. And we have easily come back into that area. And we've come here on the daily, we have made a higher high. And if this here, who knows? If this, I think 35 is pretty likely. And then we may get back to all-time highs. But what I'd love to see is a range in this 30,000 to 37,000. I know that's a big range, but I'd love to see it get range bound for a little bit and not make any nutso moves up or down. 1,000-point days are not unusual now, and so to be in a range, a 7,000-point range on the weekly charts, I feel great about that, and let things just kind of cool down. But who knows what will happen? They don't ask me for input on how to price things. So London is 30 seconds. So, I might like buys above this 33,727. If we're going to enter a mid-range buy, though, we're not going to use our full position size. Go ahead and place our stops. I'm not really a fan of sells today. We got no good information off to the left. I guess we could come and fill this from the other day, but I don't know. We're already right in this zone. All right, London is closed. If we do get into this buy right here, I will guard my drawdown extremely carefully. All right, we're in a buy. So we're 3%. And I got my finger on the close half button. No, I forgot to. Yeah. I don't know. And slight profits here, but I don't know where I think this is going to go. Doesn't really want to go much of anywhere. If this doesn't work out, I will still give my idea a chance at the top or bottom of the range. If we get there, you never know. I'm copying this trade of mine over to, it did not work. It's frustrating. I'm gonna do something real quick here. That worked. Huh, I must have, I'm using social trader tools to copy some orders around, and I must not have it doing pending orders. All right, so now price is coming back. Basically, if we break below that, I think I'm gonna, if we break below that candle, I think I'm just gonna be out. Price is moving slowly. That's it, I'm out. So what did we do here? That was just about 1%. Yep. Oof. That's ugly. Well, we managed risk. Still going to give this a chance at the top of the bottom of the range, but we are a ways from there. So we will just keep that in mind. I've got my range drawn at 3.3, basically 3.3800, 3.3808, and 3.3660. That's a big old range. So mark those out if you want. Keep your eye on them. And I will see you tomorrow for another London close.